Hey guys, Mama Circus here. Today we are trying out, you guessed it, the most viral, I should say, Dollar Tree cleaning product dupes. Yes, you heard that right. These are all different products that I found at the Dollar Tree that are dupes of major name brand products that cost a lot more money than the $1.25 price point. So let's get down and dirty and see how these dupes match up. So if you know me, you know that I am a total sucker for savings, and if I can find something that works just as good for a fraction of the price, I am totally gonna use it. And these dupes that I got, honestly, really blew my mind. So let's get started with the first one that I got, which were these little Bleach tablets. You got like 10 tablets in this little tube, and you can combine it with like water to make solution of like a bleach spray. And let me just say, these worked awesome. I've only used it one of the, tablets so far, and I must say it made an amazing bleach spray, and it wasn't overpowering, but it also did the job. And by overpowering, I mean smell wise. Yeah, it wasn't like too crazy of a bleach smell. Next up is the Dollar Tree's version of the viral Pink Stuff cleaning paste. Yeah, you heard that right. And let me just tell you guys, this is not my first time buying this one. This is actually a repurchase because I loved it so much the first time. Although I will say the scent is not as strong as the name brand. The product itself just works absolutely, to me, in my opinion, the same. A+, love it. Works so good. Go ahead and save you some money and get some. But I will say this brush I'm using did come in a kit with the Pink Stuff, and I love this brush. I will link it down below. It is super powerful and it works amazing. And I could go on and on about it, but now I am using the Dollar Tree version of the Mrs. Meyer cleaning spray. This is an all-purpose cleaning spray. It smells so good, and they have like 2 different scents, and I got, of course, both of them because I love anything Mrs. Meyer's. And I was so ecstatic when I saw that they had it at the $1.25 price point. Of course, the Dollar Tree version. But I mean, who cares? As long as it works good, smells good, does the job, if it checks all those boxes, best believe I'm gonna buy it and save myself a few bucks. All right, next up, I'm going to use some butcher block oil just to kind of refresh my cutting board, and it gives it such a nice, vibrant look and really just brings the look of the wood back to life. I did not get this one from the Dollar Tree. I actually got it from Menards, but I just wanted to tell you guys that stuff works awesome, and if you ever need to restore your cutting board, definitely get you some of that. It will make a world of difference. Man, you guys, I am struggling to keep up in these voiceovers with staying on point with the products, okay? But I'm doing my best. So here we go. This one that I just used on the dishwasher was the glass cleaner, and it is the Pink Stuff dupe brand from the Dollar Tree. I'm using it actually on all my stainless steel because I rotate between stainless steel cleaner and glass cleaner. It's just my preference for cleaning my stainless steel, and it's what works for me. I just love how the glass cleaner makes it look. And this one that I got from the Dollar Tree works so good. So far, I am, 5 and 5 for all the Pink Stuff products. I think they are great, and all the dupes have matched up so well. I really love them. So yeah, definitely check out the glass cleaner because it works so good. And like I said, I mean, it's a lower price point of the actual Pink Stuff glass cleaner and works literally the same, you guys. So now I'm actually using the Pink Stuff quote unquote dupe kitchen cleaner on the oven, okay? Or on my stovetop, I guess you would say. And I really liked it. It really helped get my stove clean. I also did use the glass cleaner as well afterwards. I just went over with it because I love like the nice shine that glass cleaner leaves on my stovetop once I get it all nice and clean. It's just like a little extra touch I like to add so there's like no streaks or anything like that. But yeah, the kitchen cleaner did not disappoint as well. It stacked up perfectly to everything else in the Pink Stuff line. So if you were thinking about any of these Pink Stuff products and you see them, I would probably just grab 2 of each right off the bat and just thank me later because you're gonna love them. They're just really great. Go Dollar Tree. Now I am using the other Mrs. Meyer's dupe from the Dollar Tree on my kitchen table. I used 1 scent on the counters and now on the kitchen table I'm trying out a different scent because why not? I love them both so much. Absolutely great all-purpose cleaners. Yeah, I thought those were really nice, and they don't have a super strong like chemical smell. So if you have little kids, I think that's really great, at least for me, because sometimes I feel like certain cleaners can just be a little too much. These just make your kitchen smell like nice, fresh, and clean without like the harsh smell of chemicals. So yeah, I really like those. I think they're awesome. If you are lucky enough to find those at the Dollar Tree near you, get them, because I know that one is kind of hard to find, like the Mrs. Meyer's dupes, but you know, maybe more Dollar Trees are starting to have them. So yeah, let me know down below in the comments if your Dollar Trees also have these amazing products, and also maybe they have other products that I don't know about, because I don't know, I'm really intrigued now. All right, you guys, we are a little over halfway through the video, and I am loving how nice and clean my home is looking, especially with only using Dollar Tree products. Like, that is mind-blowing. We have come such a long way, you guys. But yeah, if you're new here, please be sure to like this video, subscribe, and comment down below, because I am so happy to have you here, and I am really trying to grow my channel here. All right, now, so let's get back to the video and finish reviewing these lovely products. Just when I thought it couldn't get any better, I found the Pink Stuff dupe of the toilet bowl cleaner, and I was so thrilled. I mean, come on, how lucky can a girl get? I got the all-purpose cleaner, the kitchen cleaner, the glass cleaner, toilet cleaner, and the cleaning paste. Like, I was in heaven, okay? And that's how I know I'm getting old, because these are the type of things that excite me. I also got 2 different scents that you just saw me spray on the shower curtain. Those are non-aerosol like room sprays, and you can put them on your linens, your bed, your couch, shower curtains, your curtains, everything. Then I snagged these multi-surface eucalyptus cleaning wipes. I thought these would just be good to have on hand in the bathroom, because I like to just do a quick wipe down when I'm in there sometimes, and it's nice to not have to dirty a rag and do all of that. Sometimes just have something like there that's quick and ready to go, because I feel like bathrooms need cleaning the most out of all rooms in the house. I mean, obviously besides the kitchen. So when I start cleaning my bathroom, I always like put the toilet bowl cleaner in, and I spray the toilet down, and I kind of just let that sit and marinate for a little bit. And now we're back at it, cleaning it down and wiping it and everything. And I just want to say that toilet bowl cleaner worked so good. Highly impressed with it. I cannot boast enough about these pink stuff cleaning product dupes from the Dollar Tree. Like, man, that's like a tongue twister. But yeah, they just are so, so good. The last product I'm going to show you here is the awesome Febreze dupe, okay? This is like that typical Febreze cleaner that you would spray on your couches and your rugs, etc. This is the awesome version, and it smells so good. It is actually very strong, so if you like the strong smell from the Febreze, you would love this. All the other copycats I've tried have had a weak scent, but this one literally is just as good, if not better, than the actual Febreze brand. So definitely check that one out as well. All right, you guys, we are at the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you gained something from it. And most of all, I hope you return and that you click that subscribe button and that like button. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next one.